The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, after takeover, as it has led the country in the direction of development in other parts, has also paid special attention to the preservation and military equipment. In the last 2 years, thousands of machine guns repaired, thousands of vehicles, tanks, Navistar heavy vehicles, Rangers vehicles and other military vehicles have been handed over to repair and use. Also, suitable parks and shelters has been built for the better safety of these vehicles.
In the last 2 months, we have repaired approximate 90 different type of vehicles by our engineers with limited and basic resources and prepared them for work and use. Among these vehicles, there are 40 Humvees, 29 Navistar International, 3 large cranes, and 4 road building compactors, which are approximately 86 different types of vehicles. All these vehicles and equipment will be used in various sectors under the shelter of the Islamic system.
These military vehicles, which were built at the cost of thousands of dollars during the previous administration, are now being repaired by our sincere Afghan engineers at a very low cost. On the other hand, the registration of government equipment are going on in all the corps and brigades of the country, which after registration will be placed in a suitable place for safety.
These are the heavy transport vehicles that were destroyed during X regime or were standing in the parking spots.
It is worth noting, some time ago, the Afghan professional engineers of 209th Al-Fatah Corps repaired thousands of military vehicles and thousands of different types of arms of service and now is presented to military for use. And now this time as well thousands of military vehicles has been repaired and the cost of these vehicles was very high, has been repaired by Afghan professional engineers and has been presented for service.